Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick overview of how to use Edplay. Once you log in, you will see your dashboard, where you can see all the courses that you create. On the left-hand side, they will be saved in a section called My Courses. Anything that your colleagues will share with you will go into the section called Shared with Me. You can also build a collection of courses by clicking here, which is essentially a group of courses. You can move any courses that you create into a collection like this. You can also share it, and you have a variety of permissions and visibility settings to choose from. You can make your course public or private, require authentication, etc. You can access analytics and progression report for your course. You can rename it, duplicate it, and export it to SCORM format. Super easy. Just click on it, and it will export a zip file. You can download it and play the course inside another LMS. You can also transfer the ownership of the course to another user by typing their email. These are the basic settings. In order to generate a new course, you just click on this button in the top right corner. You can drag and drop a PDF file up to 30 megabytes to be processed by AI. Or you can simply explain what course you want to create by typing something here. Let's create a fire safety course. I'll just do one in front of you. This will take you to our AI chat, where you can basically answer a couple of clarification questions, and once you go through them, it will start generating a course for you. Let me show you how this happens. Sometimes the AI will just spit out some answer options that you can click on, otherwise you just type your answers in the chat. It will ask about your preferred level of difficulty and tone of voice. Let's just say it's awareness and beginner level with a professional tone. It will start creating the course now. You will see the number of credits that have been used to generate this course. You can always purchase more credits if you run out. You can always specify how many pages or modules you want to have inside your course. Depending on how many pages it's going to build for you, your credits are going to be deducted accordingly, roughly 1 credit per page, depending on complexity. You can always see how your course is being structured on the left-hand side. You can exit the AI chat at any point, and your course will continue to be built by AI in the background, so you don't have to wait. You will see assets being created in real time. It will tell you which assets have been built, and you will see notifications pop up once your pages are built. You have to be patient, as it takes some time to generate. The page will refresh automatically, and you will see new content appear on the page once it's built. Let's have a look at one of the courses that I built. You can move the assets up and down on the page like this. If you click Edit Asset, you can type some changes that you want to make to this asset. You can regenerate the images by simply clicking here and entering your prompt. You can add some additional assets by clicking Add New Asset, and it will automatically generate an interactive asset based on the content that you already have on your page. If you select some text and click on AI Edit, you can change your tone of voice. You can make it sound professional, casual, friendly, formal, or persuasive. We've got some pre-made, ready-to-go options here. You can complete the sentence, make it shorter, make it longer, completely change the text, or add your own. You can also translate it to other languages. This is what happens when you build a course. You can preview it. Anything you don't like, you can change. Let's have a look at the course that we've just made. As we can see on the left-hand side here, you can see the updates from the chat. It will tell you how the course has been structured. If you want any changes, just type them in the chat. You can easily delete assets on the page and add new ones. If we go in here and ask to translate this text to French, you can first see what it looks like. If you don't like it, you can go back, otherwise click Apply. It will translate that piece of text for you automatically. Let's translate it to another language. Super easy. If you don't like some of these images, you can easily regenerate them based on your preferences. You have different types of assets, and you can change it by double-clicking like this. When the system creates quizzes, you can't edit the quiz inside this course builder. You need to go into a separate menu called Quizzes on the left. You can find the quiz that has just been created for you. They will always be saved here, and you can see the date when it was created. You can preview it, you can view the reports, and you can edit it. You can decide if you want to make it scored or a simple knowledge check. If it's scored, there is a pass percentage that users need to achieve in order to pass the quiz. You can also preset the number of attempts allowed. Then you can go to questions and review them one by one. You can change the order like this. You can change the type of question, single choice, multiple choice, or true or false. And you can change the question itself. You can add more options. You can delete them. They will be shuffled automatically for each user. If you want to change the feedback, you can do this as well. You can set a time limit in seconds. You can review each question and see if you like it or not. Once you're happy with it, you can preview the quiz, test it, and publish. Super easy. But it is important to note that quizzes are a separate feature, and you cannot edit them inside the course builder. We've done it this way to minimize any AI hallucinations. You can also build quizzes manually and add them to the course later. Once your course is built, it becomes a draft, and if you are happy with it, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner. If you want to invite your colleagues to work on this course together, you can share it with them with edit access, and they'll be able to have the same level of access as you, but it will go inside the Shared with Me section, where they can see it. In terms of other things that would be great to cover, you've got your user management. Guests are the users who are being invited to view your course, and colleagues are the users inside your company with admin or edit permissions. You can see when they started looking at your courses, their progress, and who was last active. You can manage your team's access, add new colleagues, export the list as a CSV file, etc. I think we'll cover e-commerce a bit later. Certificates menu is where you can manage all of the certificates that have been generated for the users after they complete the courses. Anything that you delete will go inside Recently Deleted section, where you can restore it or delete it permanently. In terms of workspace settings, you can connect your Stripe account to use e-commerce. You can also change and customize your workspace and the way it looks. You can upload your own logo and favicon. You can change the background of your workspace, the font color of the top menu, and so on. Then you have your security options, authentication methods which you can update here. If you are using something like single sign-on, you're going to have some additional settings that you have here. You can set up your data mapping, and then if we go to integrations, you can access your API and LTI integration settings over here to integrate with your LMS, embed and track the courses inside it. You can share this information with your IT team. Please note that if you want to make your course publicly available and make it playable and embeddable inside another LMS, before you click on Export to SCORM button, please publish the course first and then click to export. In order for the course to play, it needs to be published first and then you can export it. That's pretty much it, really. As you can see, the system is quite intuitive. Please let us know your feedback and we'll continue to improve this tool as we go along. If you view the course as a guest user, our system will automatically track every page and asset they view to prevent any click-throughs or scroll-throughs. It will ensure they go through the course properly. We do recommend you to go through the course as a user as well to check the end-user experience. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.